Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. This will show you how to deploy QuTScloud on Google Cloud Platform. Go to QNAP Download Center and download the QuTScloud VMDK image file. Go to the Google Cloud Platform portal and log in with your credentials. Go to the browser page of the cloud storage. Create the bucket and upload the image file download from QNAP Download Center. Go to the image page of the Compute Engine. Create the image with the image file upload to the bucket. Use the command line instead of direct create to create the image. Add subnet equals default at the end of command line to create the image. Go to the Firewall page of the VPC network. Create the firewall role. QuTScloud requires port 80, 443 and 8080. Go to the VM Instances page of the Compute Engine. Create the instance with the custom image created. Select the VM region and spec. QuTScloud requires at least 2 GB of memory. Select the custom image created as the boot disk. Allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Add additional disk. QuTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage, but we recommend 200 GB of storage. After the VM started up, you can access QuTScloud by using the IP address displayed on the VM page. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QuTScloud. You can find the tutorial in the description. Please subscribe to our channel to get more information about QNAP products. Thank you for watching.